Settle in and join me on an economy flight from Dallas, Texas to Portland, Oregon aboard an American Airlines Airbus A321. This is a quiet, immersive trip report so you can experience the journey through ambient airport and cabin sounds.
We're working on it as fast as they possibly can. It's the auxiliary power unit, which basically helps us start the engine. Not a requirement. We got to get a start card over here, and that's why it's just a little bit warm on the plane, because it helps keep the plane cool. So if everybody can, if you can open those vents up, as soon as we get a start card over here, we'll try to get the cabin a little bit cooler and get the engine started. We're going to start one engine on the gate, and then we'll push back. Unfortunately, we're going to be delayed for a few more minutes. And I'll keep you updated as I find out more information from maintenance. I do apologize for the delay and appreciate your patience.
And the boarding door is now closed. Please turn off and put away laptop computers and any other large electronic devices. Smartwatches, phones, tablets, and other small handheld electronic devices weighing less than 2 pounds may be used but must be placed in airplane mode. You're welcome to continue enjoying our free wireless entertainment on your personal device, but please keep it securely held in your hand. Seatback device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If an electronic device falls into your seat or begins to overheat, please do not adjust the seat or attempt to handle the device. Contact your crew member immediately for assistance.
Welcome to your American Airlines flight, on its way to one of our many destinations across the globe. Made possible by our dedicated team members who all do it for one reason: you. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions so we can get you safely on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright, all larger electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way under the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have small handheld devices, such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches, please switch them to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence.
Attendants, prepare for takeoff.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
And welcome to Portland's International Airport. The local time is 1:32. You may now use your cell phones as we taxi to the gate. This afternoon we'll be arriving at gate C19. If you do have any checked items with us, you can pick up those items at carousel number 7. Once again, that's carousel number 7 for any checked items. And we would like to apologize for our delayed arrival here in Portland, but it's been our pleasure serving you today. On behalf of American Airlines and this New York-based flight crew, we would like to thank you for flying with us.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do have a few passengers with very tight connections. If Portland is your final destination, if you could please remain seated until the passengers with extremely tight connections deplane, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.
Flight attendants, verify disarm doors, stand by for the all call.
Thanks for joining me on this flight to Portland. If you enjoyed this quiet, immersive trip report, I'd love to have you subscribe for future journeys.